Hi, my name is Joanna Walters, and I'm the owner of Wishrock Relaxation. Right now, I am at the Titan Osaki headquarters in Carrollton, Texas. And in front of you, I have the Osaki Master Massage Chair. I'm excited to take you through it. One of the very special features of this chair is that she has the proprietary fingertip massage that come over the shoulder, and we will dig in here shortly. So if I were sitting in the chair, as you see these shoulder massagers come down, they would actually be pressing into my shoulders. So it's looking for shoulders to press into right now, which is why it's so far down. But you can see exactly what these proprietary fingertip massagers do, which is quite nice. I'll get in the chair next and you'll actually see it do that to me. Here we've got the fingertip shoulder rollers coming down to look at the height of my torso and where to meet my shoulders. And oh wow, you can see it really getting right in there, which is nice. Yeah, it does a good job right there. This right here is the AI health monitor. And so you hold it and then can go into a massage specifically for you based upon what you need for the day. How much sleep did you get? What's your variable heart rate? Your circulation, all of those things. It tracks from the sensor, if you can look on the side here. And it's kind of a neat feature that it's interesting to see if it picks up what you're feeling. And usually it does a good job. So when I first sat in the chair, I still had to make a slight adjustment for the shoulders to come down a little bit just to meet me exactly where I needed them to be. But once I did that, it feels pretty good. It is not as intense of a massage as some of the other ones that I have experienced, but it is very nice nonetheless. As you can see here, the power button, the ability to increase or decrease the intensity of your massage. You can pause, turn the heat on, and then also recline back into zero gravity right there. Got a lot of nice quick controls, easily ready at your fingertips. Here's the remote of the Master, and you can see there's different modes. If we go into the auto mode, there's 8 different auto programs. Actually more than that. Here's 8, and here's another 8 that are different programs based on what you might need. And then body specific programs like the neck area, which is what I'm on right now, lower back, and then the manual mode really allows you to kind of pick a specific area to work on and adjust the way you want the rollers to work, how intense they are, how fast they are, the airbags, everything. It's a nice feature to have a good chair that allows you to manipulate things in the manual mode.